Welcome back to Photoshop for Orchestra Librarians. Introduction. We're going to keep going a little bit deeper here. I'm going to show you how to select black pixels only. This is a very helpful device so that you can paste dynamics or time signatures or clefs or notes and stems, note heads, accidentals, whatever the case may be, and you don't have to worry about white pixels covering up existing staff lines or other expressions that might be on the page. Accents and articulations are also great for this. So let me show you how I do this. So I've got my marquee tool selected, and I'm going to draw a marquee around here. I'm going to use the Alt key to remove that stem. And what I'm going to do now is go to Select, Color Range, and now I take the eyedropper and I put it onto where the black pixels are. So I'm basically saying I want black pixels to be the selected color range. Because I'm working in black and white, I can do this. If you have a grayscale document, you might open it in grayscale. You can still have black and white pixels only in grayscale. So when I say grayscale, I mean in the truest sense of the word, in that some of the pixels on the page are not black or white. They are a percentage of black, and thus gray. So if you have those, this doesn't work so well, because if you have gray pixels around the edge of the item you're selecting, then it's not going to select those gray pixels, and your item will not be the same size. It might not have the same edging or the same clean curvature of line. So this really only works on something where you have all black, all white pixels, which is my preferred mode, especially if I'm doing like printing masters or anything. So I've selected here with the eyedropper to say that I want only the black pixels. I'm using the selection rather than the image, meaning like whatever is in this marquee. And that's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to go into detail on the rest of this. You can explore that through the Photoshop help menu. I'm just going to give you a quick preview here. So you can see now that we only have the black pixels selected. And that's a great thing, because now I can copy and I can paste. And I just did that through Command C, Command V. And if you look, now it's a transparent, in the sense that there's no white pixels. So I can put this wherever I need to without worrying about it clashing with the white pixels covering up something, and then having to go in with the eraser tool and erase the white pixels. We kind of want to avoid that. Very quickly here, I will show you kind of the next level, and we will cover how to do this in a subsequent video. I have created an action that does exactly that, that goes to select, color range, and where I select I tell it which color of pixel I want. So that action for me is F6, and so there we go, done. So now anytime I'm on a page and I want something, and I want only the black pixels, I simply have to draw the marquee and go F6 and copy and paste, and there we are. I have exactly what I need. So that's how we select black pixels only.